Ever wondered how YouTube always seems to know exactly what videos to recommend you? It's like having a psychic algorithm which is predicting every viewing desire, right? Behind the scenes, YouTube recommendation system is powered by machine learning magic. So see, it learns from your past viewing habits that the videos you have watched, you have liked, and even though you have skipped over. So curate a personalized playlist tailored just for you. It's like having a virtual assistant who whispers in your ear, "Hey, check out this video, you're gonna love it." It's something like that. So the next time you get lost in a rabbit hole of captivating content on YouTube, always remember it's not a luck, it's a genius of machine learning at work. In the next video, I will explain some basic recommendation algorithms. So stay in touch.